Welcome to 143 River Enclave Court here in River Strand Golf and Country Club. Come on in. This house is awesome. It has so many fantastic features that you cannot see with your eyes. And so I am using this video to show you the floor plan and make sure that I point those out. So right from the beginning, you notice it is a great open floor plan. The minute you walk in the front door, we have the guest area over here, which I'll show you later. And then this is the main living area, the great room, the kitchen, dining room, and it has all been, basically this whole area has been renovated. There was a wall there which came down and the owner had all this newer granite installed and put the cabinets that were up there along that back wall to create this great open field that you have. So it is a wonderful functional space. You could use this dining area as a conversation area. You could do chairs there as well, or you could keep it as a separate dining area. So totally up to you. To me, this is a blank canvas. Come in and make it your dream home, but the heavy lifting has really been done. So you can take a look here at this new granite. We have the cabinets. We have a newer dishwasher and a newer refrigerator, so stainless steel appliances throughout. We also have a brand new HVAC system installed in 2023. And to me, the cherry on top of the sundae is the fact that this home has impact windows and the sliders are all impact as well. So that is a huge savings and peace of mind for you if you're not here full time. Let's take a look out here at your private tropical oasis. So this home, even though it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 2,000 square feet, has a really nice sized cover lanai area. And that is so important here in Florida because when it rains, it pours, but you could still be outside and have this great area for entertaining. Also, most of the homes back here have concrete for their lanais, but this one is so much nicer. It has the brick pavers and your very own tropical oasis. So plenty of room for grabbing some sunshine. And I love this custom pool. It's very unique because it has this huge area, landing pad area, if you will, where you could sit there, in the sun. You could even I've seen people do lounge chairs there. So that is definitely unique, and the tile work as well. So, wow, talk about why do you move to Florida? Well, I think this is why, right? So again, take a look at that big area that we have to entertain. Fantastic. Let's head back inside and take a look at the master suite, which is right over here. So we come in here and you notice we have the sliders if you want to have that, or you can keep the draperies closed, but king size bed. So this is huge. We've got a lot of big furniture in here. So there is plenty of space. We also have a very large walk-in closet, which is important. So take a look at that with custom shelving. So plenty of space for everything there. And once you come over here, we have the master ensuite, which has a soaker tub as well as the glass enclosed shower, but it also has these split vanities, so plenty of space, and a private water closet. This door allows this room to kind of act as your pool bath. So great access in and out. And of course you can have all the blinds closed for privacy as well. Heading back out, you'll see here another view of the fantastic great room. And I want to show real quickly as we head back this way, we have the laundry room and a great pantry. This space heads out to the garage, but this pantry is more excellent storage space. So I just wanted to point that out. And you've even got the tub, which is really handy when you're coming in and out from the garage. So last space I want to show you is the guest suite area. And I also want to point out that this is located in River Strand Golf and Country Club, and this property is a golf deeded membership property. So that means your golf greens fees are included and you're just paying for cart fees. And you get use of all the amenities here in the community. So we've got 8 different pools. We've got 2 different community centers, restaurants. We've got 9 hard shoe tennis courts and an on-staff pro. We have 8 pickleball courts, 2 fitness centers. Gosh, I mean, what is there not to have here? And our 27-hole golf course designed by Arthur Hill. So again, a fantastic community. Your lawn care, your cable, and your Wi-Fi are included. So come one, come all. Give me a call if you want to set up a showing, or have your realtor reach out to me to set up a showing, because I think this beauty is gonna go fast. Thanks for watching.